Welcome guys to the Crazy Hands knitting channel, and in this video tutorial I would like to share with you how to knit these cables. If you're afraid of cables, let's do it together, because here you will not need an extra needle. Everything will be easier and you can knit using the stitch, for example hat or scarf. And for this stitch, the number of stitches has to be divisible by 6 plus 2 extra stitches and plus 2 salvage stitches. And one thing that I have to add, that the stitch is forming the pattern on the wrong side, not on the right side as we used to do, but on the wrong side. So the first row will be on the wrong side. So slip the first stitch. It's a salvage stitch. We are going always to slip the first stitch and always purl the last stitch. Knit 2, and now we are going to start making yarn over stitches. So purl 1, yarn over, purl 1, yarn over, purl 1, yarn over, and one more time, purl 1, yarn over. That's it. So 4 times, and repeat again. Knit 2 and repeat. Purl 1, yarn over, purl 1, yarn over, purl 1, yarn over, and one more, purl 1, yarn over, like this. 1, 2, and repeat. In my case, I'm going to repeat 2 more times. Knit 2, purl 1, yarn over, purl 1, yarn over, purl 1, yarn over, purl 1, yarn over. So in total 4 times. Knit 2, and again. Purl 1, yarn over, purl 1, yarn over, purl 1, yarn over. At the end you have 2 extra stitches. Knit 2 and purl. Purl the last salvage stitch. Turn. Row number 2. Here we are going to make a cross uh, or cable twist. So purl 2. Now you drop off the needle all yarn over stitches and slip from the left hand needle to the right hand needle all knit stitches. You do not knit them, you just slip them from one needle to another needle and drop all yarn over stitches. Now pick up first 2 stitches and slip them over. One more time, look. First stitches, pick up first 2 and slip them over the last 2, and do not drop them off the right hand needle. Return 2 stitches from the left hand needle and knit them all. So you crossed 4 stitches, and now you simply knit them. Knit 4 like this, and you see you have a twist. Purl 2 and repeat again. Drop off the needle all yarn over stitches and slip knit stitches from the left hand needle to the right hand needle, and now slip over, return, and knit 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. And repeat again. Like this. Cross, return, and knit right away. Purl 2, and last time. and knit 4. And last 2 extra stitches, purl 2 and purl the last stitch like this. At row number 3 we are going to knit all knit stitches and purl all purl stitches. So knit 2, purl 4, and repeat. Knit 2, purl 4, knit 2, purl 4, at the end knit 2 and purl the last stitch like this. Row number 4, the same, we are going to knit all knit stitches and purl all purl stitches. In this case, purl 2, knit 4, purl 2, knit 4, and repeat. Knit 4 and purl 2, and that's it. Now on the wrong side you're going to repeat the same as we did at the beginning from the first row, making yarn over stitches. So on the wrong side you knit 2 and then purl 1, yarn over, purl 1, yarn over, purl 1, yarn over, and purl 1, yarn over, like this. So great stitch, great for hats, great for scarves, blankets. Thank you guys so much for watching this tutorial with me. I hope you enjoyed it, and subscribe to my channel, like this video, and leave comments if you have any questions. I will be happy to answer. I wish you all a good day. Bye.